Should a victim or witness be sponsored by the police for recording his or her statement under Section 164 subsection 5 Criminal Procedure Code? Yes. A person who is neither an accused nor sponsored by the police has no locus standi to apply to the magistrate to record his statement under Section 164 Criminal Procedure Code. In other words, a witness or a victim cannot barge into a magistrate's court and request the magistrate to record his statement under Section 164 Criminal Procedure Code, unless he is sponsored by the police. This is because the magistrate should not be burdened with the additional task of recording the statements of all and sundry who may knock at the door of the court with a request to record their statements under Section 164 Criminal Procedure Code. Otherwise, too many persons sponsored by culprits might throng before the portals of the magistrates' courts for the purpose of creating records in advance to help the culprits. Case Jogendra Nahak vs. State of Orissa.